So you will need some kitchen towels, a stapler and 2 rubber bands. You will tear off 1 or 2 sheets of the kitchen towel and start folding it in the following way. Now you have folded the sheet, you will secure one of the rubber bands to one end of the folded sheet and secure it with a stapler, and do exactly the same on the other side. The sheet that is facing downwards is the one that will be on top, and then if you expand the sheet of kitchen towel, you have a perfect mask that you can apply. You can also vary the length. If you have 2 kitchen towels adjacent to one another without tearing them through, you can make a bigger mask to fit a bigger face. So this is our final product that we have, a facial mask, and then you can carefully unfold it with the top part folding downwards, and it's easy to put on and will make a wonderful mask to protect you from COVID-19.